I often run into people who are intimidated by the Styles menu up in Microsoft Word. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very quick way you can make a table of contents using the Styles options in Microsoft Word. Here I've got a title. I've got chapter headings. There's chapter 1, there's chapter 2. Down below, I've even got chapter 3. And then I have some text that makes up the chapters. 3 chapters, and I want to make a simple table of contents. Here's how you do it. I'm going to highlight the chapter 1 text. And I'm going to make it whatever I want the chapter header to look like. Maybe I want it to be red text. Maybe I want it to be a little bit bigger. So that's what I want my chapter header to look like. Now, instead of going down to chapter 2 and making it manually look the same, I'm going to create a style for this chapter 1 text. So I'm going to go up here to the Styles menu. I'm going to click on the drop-down menu, and I'm going to click Create a Style. From here, I'm going to type in chapter header. I'm just naming it whatever I want. I could name it anything. And I'm going to click OK. And from there, you'll see it's now populated into the Styles menu. There's a style there called chapter header. So now I can go to chapter 2 text, and I can simply click the style up at the top, and it instantly changes to chapter 2. I can also go down here to chapter 3, highlight it. So I can go through my whole book, and I can highlight all my chapters that I want, and I've assigned them a style. Now, if you're not sure if you've assigned them a style, simply click on the text, and you'll see there's a little box now that goes around chapter header. When I click on the regular text, you'll see there's nothing selected. When I click on chapter 1, you'll see it is selected. So now I just want to create a simple table of contents. I'm going to make a bit of space here at the top, and now I'm going to go up to References and Table of Contents. Now I'm going to click the little drop-down button, and I'm going to go to Custom Table of Contents. From here, I'm simply going to click on Options, and you're going to see there's this table of contents level here. And what I want to do is just remove out any numerical values in this TOC level, table of contents level. So now everything here is blank. And then you'll see chapter header. I'm just going to put in a number 1. I'll click OK. And you'll see now this document's going to try to take all the text that is labeled as a chapter header style and put it into a table of contents. I click OK. And we'll see chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3 all pop up because it's just reading whatever the text is that's sitting as my style. Now you can make table of contents more complicated if you like, but if you just want a simple table of contents, this is the way to do it. Simply identify your chapters as your chapter styles, go into the table of contents and say, read only those styles, and they'll pop up in a table of contents. Of course, you can then add a text at the top, say table of contents or whatever you wanted to put up there at the top. And you can create a nice looking document. And the nice thing is that if this changes over time, so for example, let's say chapter 2, I drop this down to the next page, so I'm typing away. So now chapter 2 needs to be updated. So that's fine. All you need to do is just go up here to References and go to Update Table. You can have an option here to update the page numbers only or update the entire table. I just want to update the page numbers only because I haven't updated any styles, but you could update the entire table or page numbers only. In this case, I'll do page numbers only, and you'll see page number now changes to 2. This is really handy. It saves you hours and hours of time. You don't need to go through and manually update a table of contents. Simply identify your chapter headers as a particular style, all the same style, and have that style read in the table of contents. Hope you found that helpful. Here's another video that I hope you enjoy. Thanks a lot for watching.